Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol WTI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like several days worth of time right here, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. Did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. And before I even get into this video, or I should say into this analysis, there's a whole lot of perspective that goes into it. What do I mean by that? Well, if you are a day trader and you bought right there and you were hoping and wanting to sell within, 15.7 seconds, then yeah, for you, the chart's looking pretty rough. But if you care about the big picture of things, the overall trend, the overall perspective, everything is still perfectly fine. The bulls still have plenty of opportunity to build a higher base, and that's what it's all about from the big picture perspective. Higher bases allow for those long-term uptrends. So it all boils back to perspective. I'm going to be talking about things from the big picture viewpoint. So, if you're a day trader, some things may sound crazy that I'm saying, but keep in mind, maybe I'm just not talking about from your strategy going in. So first thing I want to do is a little house cleaning and just get rid of that green line there. Reason for that is all about the purple line there, which has crossed up above that green line. And the purple line, for just really simplicity's sake, which is the 50-period simple moving average. I should probably know what that is, huh? But as long as the price is above that purple line, then in my opinion, the bulls are in full control. The move is full health. What do I mean by the move? Well, this thing right here. As far as the price remains above purple line, then, like I said, bulls, no questions asked, are in full control. Now, if the price does drop below that purple line, is the entire chart ruined? No, it's not ruined, but does it look as good as it could possibly look? No, it would lose some of its attractiveness. So keep in mind, there's a big difference between being totally ruined and losing some attractiveness. So sure, the price would lose, or sure, the chart would lose some attractiveness if it dropped below that purple line, but it wouldn't all be ruined. So case in point, that is definitely the overall level of support. Also, keep an eye on $2.90, that green line there, which I talked about yesterday. So they're not quite matching up, but you can see both the purple line is getting up near that green line. So they're kind of converging. So we'll see if that can provide a good, healthy level of support or not. As far as resistance levels, nothing new here has changed. Yes, the price broke up above $3.30, which is that red line right there. But because the price could not maintain above it and fell back below it, right here, this is still therefore considered an area of resistance. So sure, not the best day in the sense of, the price pulling back, but that's just one day. When you take a step back and looking at the grand scheme of things, bulls still have plenty of opportunity to build a higher low. So we'll see if they can do it or not. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.